Hello students, in this particular class we are continuing our discussion on solving the problems on analysis of beams. The second problem will be discussed in this class. The explanation of the problem goes like this. A simply supported beam of span length 6 meter and uniform flexural rigidity EI equals 40,000 kilonewton per meter square subjected to clockwise couple of 300 kilonewton meter at a distance of 4 meter from the left end as shown. Find the deflection at the point of application of the moment or couple and internal rods. This is an examination problem asked in January 2014 under VTU. Some of the important informations that you have to concentrate here are name of the beam. They have given it as simply supported beam, but the boundary condition given in the schematic representation is fixed boundary condition. All the students have to take care of this fact that name of the beam will be different, boundary conditions given in the beam structural representation will be different. There is no relationship at all between the name of the beam and the structural boundary condition representation present in the sketch. Second point here you people have to consider is anti-clockwise moment will be taken as negative and clockwise moment will be taken as positive, or anti-clockwise moment will be taken as positive, clockwise moment will be taken as negative. As per the decision taken by a student, the sign convention of representation of clockwise and anti-clockwise moment will be decided during the course of solution to the problem. The last point all the students have to take care here is, instead of giving the value of Young's modulus E and mass moment of inertia I, they have given the product of E and I, which is known as uniform flexural rigidity, and its value given as per the problem definition is EI equals 40,000 kilonewton per meter square.